supper tonight, Southwestern style chicken Alfredo. We have some Southwestern chicken. This is already cooked. We're just gonna heat it up in the pan. We have these Amish made noodles that we got from the farmer's market yesterday. So we're gonna use those, and we got this from the farmer's market too, aged white cheddar Alfredo sauce. And with the chicken, while we're heating it up in the pan, we're gonna add a little bit of corn and some of this fajita blend, peppers and onions. It says these need to cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. This is just about boiling, so we're gonna go ahead and put them in. We're gonna put a little bit of butter in this pan that we're gonna cook the chicken and peppers and onions in. Now, I'm just gonna use about half a bag of this fajita blend and probably not even quite half a bag of corn. You could also put black beans in here. I think that would be Southwest.
Yeah, that's what I was actually going to say, baby. I really was, but I didn't know if you were going to do that.
Yeah. Now this chicken, it says, let's see, Southwestern style. It doesn't say anything about it, but it's Southwestern. Oh, this chicken smells good, y'all. I used to get a chicken that your sister told me about. Do you remember it? It was a fajita style chicken that was really good to put on salads, even cold. You can heat it up or do it cold, and it was really good. But I don't ever see it anymore.
I don't know. I'm not sure if I remember that.
Yeah, it was a fajita style chicken just like this. We also, we got some of these Sister Schubert sweet Hawaiian rolls. It says made with juice from real pineapples. Are you eating with us, Jake, or are you going to eat with Riley? Oh, she's cooking? Okay. Tyler's not going to be here either, so I'll just do about, I guess, 4 of these rolls. I used to love the Sister Schubert's yeast rolls. Love you too. These just have about 3 more minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and put the rolls in. I'm going to drain the noodles and go ahead and turn the heat off, or at least we'll turn it down to really, really low. Dave's Gourmet Alfredo sauce going in. We're going to go with both jars.
2 jars.
And we're just going to add the chicken and everything right in here with the noodles. This is gonna be good, I think. Southwestern chicken Alfredo.
Folks, I hate to take credit.
It was his idea. You can take credit.
I told her I thought this would be really good.
Yeah.
But I didn't call it a Southwest though, baby. We gotta say I was going with a, it was gonna be a, it was a fajita.
Oh yeah, but you were going.
I don't know what I called it. It was on this idea though.
Right.
It was some kind of fajita Alfredo. Yeah. I don't know, but
something, it was a little different, but yeah.
When we got up there at Ingles, we noticed that the pack said
Southwestern chicken.
Southwestern, we thought there's the name right there.
That's it. I think it's gonna be really good.
It looks like it's gonna be really good. Southwest chicken Alfredo.
Good, right?
Good, baby.
I did a sneak taste test, and I knew.
Y'all do that. That is good.
Definitely do that. Even if you don't have those exact egg noodles or Alfredo sauce, with that Southwest chicken and the fajita, the vegetable, it's great. How is it? Good? Okay, y'all, kitchen is clean. Now we're gonna mess it up again. Not really, I mean, just a little bit. We're gonna make some Blackberry Thumbprint cookies. We're using Pillsbury sugar cookie dough. Cece's gonna open that up and put it in that bowl. Manny's got his hands washed, he's ready now. We're gonna mix the cookie dough with 3 ounces of softened cream cheese and half a cup.
The cookie dough part.
Yeah, you're gonna help. And half a cup of all-purpose flour.
Is that all-purpose flour?
This is right here.
Poor boy.
Let me cut 3 ounces off of here, and you can go ahead and throw that in the bowl, okay?
How much did I get?
Looks like you put in about 1/8 of a cup, so we'll just yeah, we'll leave that out of the half cup there. There you go. Mix it with 3 ounces of cream cheese.
Can I chop it in there?
Yeah, we're gonna tear it into little pieces. Can you do that? Here. You take this piece and tear it into little... No, tear it into little pieces. That way it'll be easy for Sissy to mix it up. We're using blackberry jam, but you can use any kind you want to. Raspberry, blueberry, strawberry, whatever you want to use. We're gonna we might need a little bit of flour for our hands so our hands don't stick to it. Can you hold your hand out? I'm gonna put just a little flour and you rub it on your other hand. Rub it on there like that. And we're gonna take a little bit of the dough and roll it into a ball, just like that.
Mine's small.
Okay. And then we put it on the pan. Then we're just gonna take our thumb and press, make a little hole. You don't wanna go all the way to the pan. You just wanna make a little space to put the blackberry jam when you're done.
Is this one big enough?
Nope, you need to be a little bit bigger still. That's gonna be a donut.
Just cook that one.
Okay. Waffles on this Saturday morning. Kind of cloudy out there, looking like it's gonna rain, but it's gonna be a good day.